Yes.
See, we need to discuss matrices
Yes.
equation solving. Wow. And also geometry. There are some areas in geometry that means straight lines.
Yes.
We need to discuss. For example,
Yes.
equation of a straight line. Yeah, read first question.
Which of the following is an equation of line L in the xy plane above?
How to solve it? Right. To solve such questions, first look at some points. Can you name this point?
0, 1.
Yes, very good. This is 0, 1, right? And one more point. For straight lines, at least 2 points are needed. One more point.
1 and 2, sir.
Yes, very good. This is 1, 2. Right. Yeah. First, plug in the first point in first option A.
X is 1, sir.
X is 1. But here X is 0, you know.
Yes, sir.
0 is X coordinate, 1 is Y coordinate, right? And if option A is correct, then if you take any point, all the points should have X coordinate 1. X coordinates of all the points 1 or not?
No, sir.
Yeah, option A is given as X is equal to 1. That means for any point, X coordinate must be 1. Is it true or not?
No, sir.
Why it is wrong? Because
one value of X is 0 and the other value of X is 1.
See, for this point, of course, for this point, X coordinate is 1. Agree. But if equation of a line is given as X is equal to 1, that means for any point, that means for all points, X coordinate should be 1 only. Exactly 1 only, right? That's why clearly option A is wrong. Second point, second option, Y is equal to 1. Of course, it may be correct in first equation. But what does it mean? Y equal to 1 means for any point, yeah, Y coordinate must be 1. Is it true?
No.
No. That's why option B is wrong. Option C?
Yes. Y equals 0.
Y coordinate, see, option C.
Sorry, Y equals X.
Y is equal to X. That means Y coordinate and X coordinate must be same.
Yes, sir.
Is it same?
No, sir.
That's why option C is wrong. Option D, Y coordinate is 1 and 1 exceeds X coordinate. Y coordinate 1 exceeds X coordinate. Is it right? For example, if you take the first point, the Y coordinate 1 is 1 exceeds 0, right?
Yes, sir.
The same way 2 is 1 exceeds 1.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, if you substitute That means if you plug in any point in the last equation, it is satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Y. Y means 1. 1 is equal to x means 0 plus 1. It's correct.
Yes, sir.
Second point, y is equal to 2 is equal to x
2 is
1 plus 1.
yes.
Right. Of course, we may take any point. For example, what is the name of this point? 1,
4,
2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4.
4,4.
Yeah, 4. No, not 4, 4. 1,
One.
2, 3, 4, 5.
5, sir.
4, 5. Yeah. So plug in that point, that point in the last option.
Y equals 4 plus 1.
Yes. Is it satisfied or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why option D is correct.
Yes, sir.
This is one way to check to find the equation of a given graph. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I think it has been it has been done previously.
Circle above center O has a circumference of 36. What is the length of my arc A and C? Oh, is it like if
The circle above its center 0 has circumference 36. That means all this is value is 36.
yes,
36. But what is asked? What is this value? And it is 90 degrees. That's why it is 1/4. Nothing but 1/4.
yes, sir.
Yeah, this value is only asked, right? So
Yes, sir.
what is the answer?
Is it 9, sir?
Yeah, clearly. Do you remember? It has been done previously.
Yes, sir. We did it, but I didn't remember about the 1/4.
Yeah, right. Got it. Clear?
Yes.
I tried to remove that sound effect. Do you know how to remove that sound effect?
For the PPT, sir?
Yeah, people.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we can just make it volume 0, no, sir. Somewhere.
Volume 0. Yeah, it is sound.
Animations. So,
Animations are somewhere. I tried to do it. Animations, huh? Oh, yeah, is it animations? Animations, slideshow, review, view. It's not necessary for us. Design. Yeah, is that there? Yeah, it's. I think it is sound effect.
yes, sir. That's
We need to
should
know.
go. No, yes, sir.
No sound. Is it saved or not?
It will be saved in the thing, sir.
No. Save it. Okay. It is stop previous sound. Huh?
So go to no sound.
No sound.
No.
Yeah, if we change the slide. Yes. Yeah, okay, it again. So I think we need to change it manually for all.
Yeah, because you put each you put one animation for each. No, sir.
Yeah, that's
Animation.
Jyoti, good morning. Jyoti, did you fill score application? Sadika,
Yes, sir.
I suggest you to write the score exam.
Core exam, sir?
Yeah. Jyoti, explain her how to what is score exam. You can write it online at your home. Sri Chaitanya College conducts score exam.
Sri Chaitanya.
Just talent test, just like a talent test. Yeah, any student can write. You can write it from, at your home only. Yeah, I'll tell the details. Yeah, Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
How about asking Tarnika to write that exam?
Online.
Yeah, you can write that exam at your home from your mobile or from any device. It tells your score. It is connected by
Sir, is it chemistry, physics, and mathematics?
yes, only group subjects from third class to intermediate.
Yes.
Anytime at your
Yes.
free time.
Yes, sir.
See. Where has that gone? Yeah. Animation.
Yeah, there's.
It's coming.
Yes, sir.
Still coming.
Wait, this is a blank screen, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no.
What is the solutions of the quadratic equation? Simple question.
B plus or minus that one, sir. X equals B plus or minus root B square minus 4.
Of course, you can do one thing, divide each term by 4.
X square minus 2.
So that we'll get the simpler equation.
Equals
X square minus 2x minus 3 is
Minus
equal to 0. Can you factorize? Jyoti, can you say its factors?
3 and 2, sir. Sorry,
Very
3 and
good.
1.
Excellent. X square minus 3x
Plus 1x minus 3. That's 0.
x common, x into x minus 3 plus 1 common, 1 into x minus 3 x
So
plus 1
plus
times x minus 3.
So x equals -1, x equals 3. So
That's
negative 1, 3. Yeah.
Option?
B, sir.
Option B. Yeah. Mark the correct option.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Blank.
Yes, sir. It's blank. You should glue it again.
Yeah. That is when I set animation, some slides show 3 after 4, 5, right? Question number 3 after question number 3, 4, then 5. Yes. See, let us have a look at the concept of graph on coordinate system.
Yes, sir.
See, in the previous example, see, if you observe this graph, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to, right?
Yes, sir.
That means if y is equal to 0, that is, this is y, okay? If y
Yes,
is equal to 0, x is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
If x is, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, okay? If y
Yes.
is equal to 0, x is equal to -1. Do you know the coordinates of this point? -1, 0, right?
Got it. Yes, sir.
That means if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to -1.
Yes, sir.
But in case if we observe some graphs, for example, if a graph is like this, you know, what is the coordinate? What are the coordinates of this point? 0, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Coordinates of this point 1, 0.
0.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
1, 0,
Yes.
0, right?
Yes, sir.
All these points have y coordinate 0. Y coordinates of all these points are
0.
So it is x-axis. Okay, it is x-axis. Is it possible for y equal to 0 for this equation, for this line, for this graph? For this graph, it is
No,
possible
sir.
to have y is equal to 0?
No, sir.
Yeah, it is possible. Y is equal to 0. Yeah, here it is y.
Oh, yes. Right.
So I am
Yes.
asking you, is it possible for this graph to have y coordinate 0?
Yes, sir.
Definitely. But if we take an example, that means if there is a graph like this, is it possible for this graph to have y is equal to 0?
No, sir.
Y is equal to 0 is not possible for this graph.
Yes.
Because this graph is not touching or intersecting x-axis. You know the difference between touching and intersecting? For example, is a line.
Yes, sir. I do.
This line is touching this, this curve touches this line.
Yes, sir.
This curve intersects this line.
Goes through it. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it possible for this graph
No, sir.
to touch or intersect x-axis?
No, sir.
No. That's why y is equal to 0 is not possible. Y is equal to 0 is not possible.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to 0 is not possible, right?
Yes.
If we take another example, that is, for example, if we take, is it possible for this graph to have x coordinate 0? All these points on this line, all the points on this line have x coordinate 0. For example, this point coordinates 0, 1. Here x coordinate 0. For this point, x coordinates of this point are 0, 2. Coordinates of this point are 0, 2. Right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
So all the points on y-axis have x coordinate 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, is it possible for this graph to have x coordinate 0?
No, sir.
That's the main points to be observed. Now, let us see. Which of the following is an example of the function whose graph in xy plane has no x-intercepts? No x-intercepts. A linear function whose rate of change is not 0. A quadratic function with real zeros. A quadratic function with no real zeros. What is zeros? What is real zeros and what are not real zeros? See, for example, if we take a graph, okay, this graph intersects x-axis at the points 2, 0.
Yes, sir.
And 3, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
That means zeros of this graph are
2 and 3.
Yes, very good. Zeros are 2 and 3. I'm asking you, what are the zeros of this graph? Has this graph zeros? No.
There's no solution.
No zeros, because it's neither touching nor intersecting the x-axis. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, which of the following is an example of a function whose graph in xy plane has no x-intercepts? See, these are called x-intercepts.
Yes, sir.
These are called x-intercept. Right. A linear function whose rate of change is not 0. Whose rate of change is not 0. Next, a quadratic function with real zeros. This is an example for a quadratic function with real zeros. It has real zeros 2 and 3. A quadratic function with no real zeros. This has no real zeros. A cubic polynomial with at least one real zero. Cubic polynomial is like this.
That's
Somewhat like this. Okay, it doesn't matter for us. It is not necessary to discuss about this topic first now at this place. So we need to find the answer from option B and option C. This is quadratic equation with option B. Example for option B is this. A quadratic function with real zeros. Okay.
yes.
Has no intercepts. Has this graph intercepts or not?
Yes, sir.
But the quadratic equation has no x-intercepts.
That's the
Second
quadratic
graph.
function. No
Clearly second
real.
graph, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why
Option C, sir.
Yeah, option C is correct. By observation, we can say option C has, in option C, is there about the quadratic equation which has no real zeros.
So how will the option A graph look like? Is it like the straight linear function?
A linear function, in any linear function should have x-intercepts and y-intercepts. This is a linear function means a straight line. Linear function, yeah. If you draw any straight line, a linear function whose rate of change is not 0. Rate of change is not 0. Rate of change means x coordinate. Rate of change means here the rate of change is nothing but no. Yeah, rate of change is nothing but x coefficient. I'm explaining this option A.
Yes, sir.
Rate of change is nothing but x coefficient. Okay, I'm giving example. So 1, 2, 3. Rate of change is not 0. X coefficient is not 0. See, previously we observed some here. This is a line. Equation of this line is 1. You know, y
Yes,
is equal to 1x plus 1. 1x plus x plus 1 something. It is y equal to x plus 1, right?
yes, sir.
Here, x coefficient is 1. X coefficient is 1.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, rate of change is not 0, right? X coefficient is
Yes.
not equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So if we take some other example, for example, if it is a line, if this is equal to y is equal to 5x plus 1 or something like this.
Yes, sir.
This is x coefficient. Okay. X
Yes, sir.
is not equal to 0. X coefficient is not equal to 0.
Zero.
Whenever x coefficient is not equal to 0, that line must cross x-axis.
Yes, sir.
If x is equal to 0, I am giving the example for the graph whose x coefficient is 0. For example, if you take graph of this line is y is equal to 3, that means we cannot see x term.
Yes, sir.
X is not equal to 0 means x is not 0 means we can see x term in that equation.
Yes, sir.
If x is equal to 0 means we cannot see x term on that equation. For example, if you take this straight line, we cannot see x term in this graph, in this equation. What is the equation of this graph? Y is equal to 3.
Y is equal to 3.
Yeah, the equation of this graph is, can you say what is the equation of this graph? It is 1 unit.
Y equals 1.
Yes, y equal to 1. Okay. What are the x-intercepts of this line? These lines are?
0,
No.
sir.
No x-intercepts.
Oh, yeah, there's
Yeah,
no
because it is neither touching nor intersecting x-axis. So I think you have an idea about having x-intercepts. Which kind of linear functions don't have x-intercepts? For example, these kind of last graph, these kind of linear functions don't have x-intercepts.
Yes.
These kind of linear functions don't have x-intercepts because these graphs don't have x terms. That means not having x terms means x coefficient is 0.
Yes, sir.
Right? That means the x coefficient is nothing but rate of change.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, rate of change of these lines is 0. That's why these are not having x-intercepts. That means these are not crossing x-intercepts.
Yes.
Now, clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, see, which of the following is equivalent to the sum of the expressions a square minus 1 and a plus 1? Here, we are asked to sum up. That means add those two numbers. Those two values.
This A.
Yeah, this is a square minus 1. You know,
Yes.
a square minus b square formula?
Yes, sir.
What is a square minus b square formula?
A square minus B square.
Is equal
A times A plus B
times a minus b. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see. That means what is a square minus 1? A square minus 1 means a square minus 1 square.
A minus
1
okay, and A minus 1.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, adding these two values, and that is a square minus 1 plus a plus 1.
Yes, sir.
A square minus 1 means? Yeah,
So
as we already can. A plus 1 times a minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Plus a plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, a plus 1 means a plus 1 into 1, you know, so that we can take the term a plus 1 common. A plus 1 is common factor. Right?
Yes, sir.
We can take a plus 1 common.
Yes, sir.
What happens then? A plus 1 times, this is a minus 1. plus 1.
Plus 1.
What is its result? A plus 1. 1, 1 cancel. A.
A plus 1 times.
Multiply A square plus A. Got it? A times A is A square. A times 1 is A. That's why option?
Option A, sir.
Yeah. Can you try to solve again this? Same sum on the board?
I tried it in the other way, but I got the same answer, sir.
Yeah. Let me show. Let me see that answer that way.
Okay, I just did a normal. I did A square
Okay. It's very simple method is there.
plus 1.
Yeah, that's it. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancels.
Yes, sir. That's when I got it.
Right. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Plus 1, right? Yeah. Same way. I saw a funny video in social media. What's the value of 16 minus 9? The question is 16 minus 9. One teacher explains his students.
Oh, even I saw this, sir.
Similar way I did. Yes, simply we can just add them. It's enough. But what's the necessity of using A square minus B square? Did you watch that video?
Yes, I did. The teacher just cancels out the 1 every time and writes 16 minus 9.
No, not like that. Yeah, let me explain this. Replicate that process. 4 square minus 9 minus 3 square.
Minus 3 square. Yeah.
A plus B into A minus B. 4 plus 3 into 4 minus 3. Okay. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 ones are 7. That's why answer 7 is correct. He says like this. But this process is not necessary to this simple sum. Just
Yes.
16 minus 9. 9 is subtracted from 16. That is 16 minus 9, 7. That's finished.
Oh, I saw another video, sir, where the teacher is just writing 16 minus 9
Yeah.
and then cutting it off and then writing 16 and then 16 minus 9. The entire board is filled with 16 minus 9.
How? 16? What's the logic there?
I don't know this. The teacher was just cutting off the numbers and writing, oh, it's 16 minus 9 again. Oh, it's 16 minus 9 again. So,
Okay. That's funny. Right. That's why it is very simple way. Just adding these two numbers. That means if we just put plus symbol, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, A square plus A is enough. A square plus A is enough. Okay. Yeah,
yes,
that's good. Sometimes using formula leads to unnecessary extra steps, extra calculations. See it.
Question K is constant, x equals y.
This equation above, k is a constant. If x is equal to 9, what's the value of k? Ma Jyoti exam pa prepare ayava? Jyoti?
Says,
Yeah, go ahead.
Says K 79.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
That's correct. Because we can verify it. We can use trial and error method also. If we plug in 79 in that equation, it satisfies. We get 0.
Yes.
Because 79 plus 2 is 8. Yeah, please do it on the screen.
The verification, sir?
Yeah. Any of the method you choose.
So, wait. So, K plus 2 minus x equals 2. So I squared it on both sides, sir. So it's k plus 2 equals 81. K equals
Why
70.
are you writing 9 there?
Oh, I took this 9 to this next side, like this one over here.
Where is 9? The given equation.
So they said x equals 9. No, sir.
Oh, got it. Very good. Go ahead. Yeah, simple. That's good. Correct only. Option. Put the mark the correct option.
Option D, sir.
That's good. Jockey has 2 summer jobs. Jockey.
Jackie.
Radio jockey or horse jockey?
I don't know. It's just a name.
Jockey has 2 summer jobs. She works as a tutor, which pays. I came to know about the concept of sub teacher in schools, in states. Sub teacher, whenever a teacher gets leave, some other student, some other teacher will come and teach.
Yes, sir.
Those are called sub teachers. Sub teachers may be a regular teacher. Maybe sometimes I came to know that some housewives works as sub teachers in some nearby schools.
Yes, sir.
For very lower class students.
They do.
Yeah. Jackie has. Do you have sub teachers in school? In your school?
We don't have usually for high school, sir, but for band we do have, like for electives, they do have sub teachers.
Okay. Recently, one teacher came settled in America. MK sir, math teacher. He got very good opportunity in states. Working, that teacher told only working hours 2 or 3 only per day.
Yes, sir, because if it's like the core class, then you're gonna have one section today and the next section tomorrow. So it's half the day that you can work in India.
But we have 10 solid hours per day, 9 or 10, minimum 8. See, Jockey has 2 summer jobs. She works as a tutor, which pays $12 per hour. Okay, $12 per hour. Yeah, pay for tutor job. Let the pay for tutor job be X dollars.
Yeah.
No, number of tutoring hours mean X. So
yes,
per hour she is paying $12.
Yes, sir.
Per X hours.
12x.
12x, yeah. She is earning $12x dollars. $12x dollars for tutoring.
Yes.
And she works as a lifeguard. Who are lifeguards? Security guards?
No, so lifeguards can be near the, I don't know, coastal or something. I'm not sure.
Yeah, just like watchman, like that, maybe.
Yes.
Some kind of watchman duty.
Yes, sir.
But savior, just companion, maybe like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which pays $9.5 per hour. That means let the number of works for lifeguard be Y. So the amount she's earning from the job of lifeguard is
9.5.
Yeah, 9.5. From tutoring, she's getting $12. From the duty of lifeguard, she's getting, she or he, jockey. Yeah, she only. Yeah, right. So the total earning, 12x and 9.5y, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is her income from both jobs.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. She can work no more than 20 hours per week. That means number of hours for tutoring and number of hours for lifeguard job cannot be greater than no more than 20. That means it must be equal to 20. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Number of tutoring jobs, number of lifeguard jobs is less than or equal to 20 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First, we need to search for this inequation in the 4 options. Option A is wrong.
Oh, yes.
It is wrong because it is x plus y greater than or equal to 20. So that's why option A is wrong. What about option B? May be correct.
Yes, sir.
Option C may be correct. Option D gone. Option D second point is gone. Okay, leave it. Now, the second point here is but she wants to earn at least $220 per week. That means this must be greater than or equal to 220.
20.
Total earning from both jobs must be greater than or equal to 220, right?
Yes.
So which option is correct?
Option C, sir.
Yeah, option C is correct. In air, the speed of sound S in meters per second is a linear function of the air temperature D in. Okay. This is the function. S of T is equal to this. Okay. Which of the following statement is the best interpretation of the number 331.4 in this context? How to get 331.4 in this equation? By putting which value? By plugging which value in the place of T? Do you know what happens when we put T?
0, sir.
Yes, that's the answer. Except 0, if you put any value, the result must not be equal to 331.4. For example, yes. If you plug in T is equal to 1, then we get 332.4. Sorry.
Yes.
No. If you plug in T is equal to 1, then we will get 332, exactly 332, because it is 0.1.
Yes.
So for any value, 331.4 changes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you can easily answer this question.
So T in degrees Celsius. Oh, it's the option A, sir.
Yeah, the speed of sound in meter per second at 0 degrees Celsius, right? T is temperature. That's good. That's the answer. Go ahead.
X is greater than 0. What's the value?
Y is equal to x square. That means multiplying both sides by 2, 2y is equal to x square.
Yes.
2y is equal to x square, right?
Yes.
So in this place, we can write 2x square.
2x square.
Because it is 2y.
Yes, sir.
Now the equation is 2x square plus 6
equals 2x plus 3.
6. 2x plus 6.
Oh, right. Sorry.
2x square minus 2x. 6 can cancels is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Cancel 2 on both sides. X square minus x equal to 0.
X is equals to 1, sir.
Yeah, x taking x common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x minus 0 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means either x is equal to 0
or x equals 1.
But in the problem, it is given that x must be greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
That's why first option, that means first result is rejected, because in the problem it is given x greater than 0, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why x is equal to 1 is only the correct answer.
Yes. Option A, sir.
That's good. Is it by me? No. Yeah, very simple question. Try to solve on the screen. You can do it on the screen.
4.
Yeah, just plug in the value of z and y.
Yes.
Interesting.
So 4 times a square plus b square plus a times ab.
Yeah, take 4 common. You will see an equation.
So take 4 common.
Yeah, take 4 common. 4 times of. Jyoti, you may ask your friends to attend.
So it's a square plus b square plus.
Don't close the bracket. Don't close the bracket.
Oh, okay.
A square plus b square. Yeah, plus 2ab.
Plus 2ab. Then
A square plus b square plus 2ab. There is a formula for it.
oh, a plus b whole square.
That's good. So continuation of this step is 4 means square. Yeah, 4 means 2 square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Four is written as 2 square, right?
2 square a plus b whole
2 square times a plus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
So 2 square times a plus b whole square means you know this formula in algebra. A power m, b power m means ab whole power m. Agree?
Yes, sir.
That's why 2 square a plus b whole square means 2 times of a plus b whole square. Simplify this. 2 times
2
a.
2a plus 2b whole square.
Very good. Option?
Option B, sir.
That's good. Mark the correct option.
Yes.
జ్యోతి నువ్వు ఎందుకు మీరు రాయగలరా తను రాసినట్టుగా?
No, sir.
There is a pen, digital pen ఉంటుంది. డిజిటల్ పెన్ వస్తే రాయొచ్చేమో. యా ట్రై 11th క్వశ్చన్.
The volume of right circular cylinder A is 22 cubic centimeters. What is the volume of a right circular cylinder with twice the radius and half the height of or right?
The volume of a right circular cylinder is 22 cubic centimeters.
Yes. Pi r square h.
22 cubic centimeters, right?
Yes, sir.
CCM. Now, what's the formula of volume of right circular cylinder? Do you know formula for that?
Pi r square h square.
Pi r square h is equal to 22. Clear? Now, what happens now? See, with twice the radius. Radius is twice. That means we can replace r by 2r.
2r. Yes, sir.
And half the height. That
H
means
by
h is replaced by h by 2. Let us replace r by 2r and h by 2. Then what happens? Pi r square means 2r whole square.
Yes, sir.
H means h by 2 is equal pi into 2r whole square means 4r square
Yes, sir.
into h by 2. What happens now? 2 cancel 2 times.
2 cancels 2 times.
So 2 times pi r square h.
2r square h.
What is pi r square h?
22.
So answer is 2 into
2 times 22, 44, sir.
yeah. Option?
Option C, sir.
Right. Yeah, this is very simple question, but little bit confusion is there for 13th question.
Yes, sir.
First read and try. I will all best to answer that question. 13th question.
Yes,
Very
sir.
interesting, but seems to be confusing. Jyoti, you
Response.
can also ask this question. Jyoti, you can also try this question. It seems to be simple, but if we try to solve it, leads to be confusing results. But if we think clearly, solving this question is very easy. May I rub this part?
Yes, sir.
Sir, option C.
Are you sure?
Maybe. Sir.
Maybe. What do you say, Tanrika? Tanrika.
1 second, sir.
At a restaurant, and cups of tea are made by adding tea bags to hot water. The relation between tea and n is tea is equal to n plus 2. How many additional tea bags are needed to make each additional cup of tea? There is a specialty and ordinary tea in hotels. There is a joke on specialty and ordinary tea. If someone asks what is the difference between specialty and ordinary tea, they said in ordinary tea, milk is mixed with water, and in specialty, water is mixed with milk. In the same way, yeah. The relation between tea and n is tea equal to n plus 2. How many additional tea bags are needed to make each additional cup of tea? For each additional cup of tea, how many tea bags are needed? See, using that equation, I am asking you, what is n here? N means cups of tea. N cups of tea. For example, if we need 3 cups of tea for 3 of us, okay? For 3 of us, we need 3 cups of tea. For 3 cups of tea, how many tea bags are needed?
3
5.
plus
Yeah,
5.
5 tea bags are needed. 5 tea bags are needed for 3 cups of tea, right?
Yes.
See, for 4 cups of tea, number of tea
6.
bags required are
6.
just plug in 4 here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What happens then? 6. See, for 3 cups of tea, 5 tea bags are needed. For 4 cups
So
of
the
tea, 2
answer
bags are
is
needed.
3.
For 5 cups of tea, how many tea bags are needed? What's that, Jyoti? What's that sound? Yeah. For 5 cups of tea, how many bags are needed?
7.
7.
Just 5. Put 5 here. N means 5. 5 cups of tea needed. So total number of required bags are
7.
See, for 3 cups, 5 bags. For 4 cups, 6 bags. For 5 cups, 7 bags. So if we want 6 cups of tea, how many bags are needed?
8.
8.
6 plus 2, 8. So for each additional cup of tea, okay, for each additional cup of tea, how many additional bags are needed?
1.
1 only. But by seeing this, we can be trapped to get options to choose option C.
Yes, sir.
It is tempting to option C to mark option C.
Oh, I thought the option was 3, sir. Like option D.
So which option is correct?
Option B, sir.
Option?
B.
Yeah, B only correct. So for each additional cup of tea, additional required number of additional bags are 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Go further for 7 cups of tea, how many bags are needed?
9, sir.
Yeah, 9 only, because 7 plus 2 9. Okay, so it is misleading. It misleads to choose option C, but in reality, option B is correct. Got the difference between
Yes, sir.
assumption and calculation? By assumption or by guessing, we can say option 2, but it's not correct in reality. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is simple question, right? 9 for 3 by 4. Notation. The following is equal to 9 power 3 by 4. Got it? Answer?
No, sir. Is it 4Q? 4Q?
No, I'm telling the formula. The formula is,
Cube root x, sir.
see, a to the power of m by n, cube root x. No. A to the power of m by n means nth root of a to the power of m. It is formula.
Yes.
So
it's 4 to the root 9 to the
9
power 3.
power 3 by 4. 4th root of,
Okay. 9 cube.
right, 9 cube. Got it. Now, see, 4th root of option A is wrong, option B is 9 cube must be there. Okay, so let's do one thing. Agree, 9 is equal to 3 square,
Yes, sir.
taking power 3 by 4 on both sides. So 3 to the power of 2 times 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
This goes 2 times. 3 power 3 by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now use the basic formula.
2 root 3
Nth
cube.
root of p power m. So it is equal to square root of. We need not write 2 here because it is square root, right? 3 cube.
Yes, sir. 9.
Yeah, that means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Not 9.
Yes.
A
Sorry. I'm
power
sorry.
m is
27.
nth root of a power m, right?
27. Yes.
Yeah. What is the value of 3 times 3?
3 root 3.
Yes. Option?
Option D.
That's good. Got it? Option? What happens? Yeah. Can you ask this question? There are 3 more options are there.
Yes, sir.
They are on the way. Got it?
So you can just take off the option B, C, D for now. The question, it's
Space is
covering
not
the
sufficient. No. Space is not sufficient.
okay.
That's why I cut though. Oh, it is overlapping.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. No problem. Yeah. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now. See now. The given function f of x is equal to
2x, 2 to the power x plus 1.
clear,
Yes, sir.
but y is equal to minus f of x.
So it's reflecting. So
Yeah, y is equal to minus f of x is minus 2 power x minus 1. Using this minus negative symbol.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So we need to draw graph for y is equal to minus 2 power x minus 1, right? Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
See. Let us take a blank graph. See this blank graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Yeah. Put x is equal to 0. For x is equal to 0, what is its value? What happens when x is equal to 0? Minus 2 power 0 minus 1. Can you say what's the value of 2 power 0? Jyoti, something is coming from your mobile. Yeah. See, what is minus 2 power 0?
-1, sir.
Yeah. -1 is
-2.
so for x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. That means
Yes.
0 minus 2. See, it is 0, it is minus 2.
Yes, sir.
This is 1 point. Let's find 2 more points. For x is equal to 1, y is equal minus 2 power 1 minus 1.
-3, sir.
Yeah, for x is equal to 1, it is -3. For x equal to 1, it is -3, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Next. Yeah, for x is equal to
-2, -1,
y is equal minus 2 square. Minus 2 square minus 1.
-5, sir.
Yes, for x equal to it is -5. Yeah. Yeah. Join those join those points.
So it's going to be like linear.
Join them. Yeah, connect the points. For clarification, let's take another point.
That's
Yeah, for y is equal to 0. Can we guess the point for y is equal to 0? So it is very true. It is true that option A and option C are not correct. Sorry, option B. Option C and option D may be correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So to get full clarification, let us take y is equal to 0. That means
So
y
0
is
equals
equal to minus 2 power x minus 1. If y is equal to 0, minus 2 power x minus 1. That means 1 is equal to minus 2 power x.
yes, sir.
For which value it is 1?
1, sir.
X is equal
Sorry, 0. Negative 0, sir.
yeah,
Is it?
no. 0 is only 0. For x is equal
But
to
it's
0.
gonna be negative 1, no, sir.
Yeah. That means minus 2 per 0. Yeah, negative 1. That means we cannot. Yeah. See, minus 1 is equal to 2 per x. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling one truth about mathematics. For positive value, for any positive value, okay, there is
Yes, sir.
no power to get positive negative value.
Yes, sir.
2 power 0 means 1. 2 power minus 1 means 1 by 2. So it is not possible. It is
Yes.
this equation has no solution.
Yes, sir.
That means y cannot be 0.
Yes, sir.
Y cannot be 0. Y means these are y coordinate. These are all y is equal to 0 points.
So it should not intersect
It is not crossing x-axis. Because
yes,
there is no solution for y equal to 0. There is no solution for y equal to 0 means y equal to 0 is nothing but x-axis. Y equal to 0 means x-axis. So this graph cannot touch or intersect x-axis.
Yes, sir.
So among these 4 options, which option is correct?
Option C, sir.
Option
C.
Option B.
C. C for cat.
C correct. Because D wrong. Because in option D, the graph crosses x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So option C correct. And one more thing.
Yes.
If it is true, this point must be satisfied. What is this point? Minus 1 comma 0. If x is minus 1, y should be 0. But it's not. It is not satisfying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clearly, option C is correct. Agree?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I think it's the previous question. It's done.
I don't know, sir. It's not done. Man drives an average of 100 miles each week. His car can travel 25 miles per gallon. Alan would like to reduce his vehicle expenditure on gasoline by 25. Assuming gasoline cost $1 per gallon, which equation can
Jyoti, exam ba prepare ayyava?
Sir.
Homework chestava?
determine how many your average miles and
మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారు అనుకుంటారు కదా, అందుకు రాలేదేమో, అంతే కదా? యా. See, Alan drives an average of 100 miles each week. His car can travel an average of 25 miles per gallon. Okay. 25 miles. For each mile, sorry. Yeah. For each miles, per gallon. For each gallon,
it goes 25.
Assuming gasoline costs $4 per gallon. Okay. Yeah. How many miles he can travel for each gallon?
25 miles.
25 miles per gallon. So 25 by 100. Okay. For each
Yes,
gallon.
sir. That's 4.
Not that. Yeah, assuming his gallon. Alan uses to determine how many fewer average miles he should drive each week. See, miles kada, fewer average miles. He needs to cut his expenditure by $5, right?
Yes.
It is $5. So it must be equal to 5, right? So either B are correct or D are correct.
Which both, sir?
One. Yeah, for each dollar, how many miles he can go?
$4, sir.
$4 per gallon.
Yes, sir.
4 miles per gallon. See, 25 miles per gallon.
Yes.
25 miles per gallon. And see, 100 miles each week.
Yes, sir.
His car can travel. His car can travel an average of 25 miles per gallon.
Yes, sir.
Can travel 25 miles per gallon. 25 miles per gallon, right? Okay. I think 100 is no significance in this question. Please do note that 100 has no significance.
Yes.
Don't think about 100. Yeah, he need a gallon of gasoline for 25 miles.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number of miles for each gallon?
25 by 4.
Right. 25, right? Each gallon costs $4.
Yes, sir.
For $4, yeah, for $4 he can travel 25 miles. To travel 25 miles, he needs to spend $4. 25 miles for 25 miles. Okay. To travel 25 miles,
Yes.
he needs 1 gallon. That means he needs $4.
Yes, sir.
For 1 mile,
4 by 25.
yeah, he needs $4 by $25. For each mile, he needs $4 by $25, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, this amount should be equal to 5 rupees. So, for 1 mile, he needs $4 by $25. Okay. For how many miles? 25 by 4. See. For $4, he goes 25 miles.
Yes, sir.
For each dollar?
For each
25 by 4 miles.
25. Oh my gosh, 25 by 4.
Yeah, he needs to cut $5. So multiply. Yeah, this must be equal to 5 rupees. Number of miles. For M is equal to 1, it is 25 by 4.
M equals 1. It's 25 by 4.
Amount fraction is 25 by 4m.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, amount should be cut by $5. Amount needs to be cut by $5.
Oh, so it should be equal to
5. Yeah, it's very simple question. But Josna and Jyoti can also answer this question. First question. Very simple. మన 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనే చేశారా జోస్నా అండ్ జ్యోతి? జోస్నా ఐ థింక్ మీకు ఇప్పుడు కెమిస్ట్రీ కదా, మ్యాథ్స్ కాదు కదా?
కెమిస్ట్రీ.
యా, ఓకే. జ్యోతి నువ్వు 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనే చేసామా? 36 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
Yes, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. యా, సి మా ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువ ఉంది డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువ స్ట్రైట్ గా ఉంది అకార్డింగ్ టు ద లైన్?
Option B.
Option
B 2010.
Yeah, be correct. It's a very simple question. According to the line graph above, between which 2 consecutive years was there the greatest change in the number of 3D movies released? So the greatest change occurs when when this is the greatest change. This only, okay. Vertical, more it has more slope. So option D is correct.
Yes, sir.
What about next question? There are points. Point is 1,5, 3,13, 5,21.
Yes, sir.
Among these 4 options, which option satisfies these 3 points?
Yes. It's not that. It's not option A, sir.
Very good.
For 3. It's not even option B, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Yes.
4x plus 1. 4 plus 1. It may be correct.
Yes, sir. 4 times 3. 12 plus
4 times
30. Yes.
4
20
5
plus.
20.
Yes, sir. Option C is right.
Option D also wrong.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
To make a bakery signature.
Now, what is signature chocolate muffin?
Baker's signature, like it's only there in that one bakery, sir. It's not there in any other bakery.
Chef's signature is there on it?
Yeah, it's no.
Not
It's
that.
like no, sir. It's like their own significant or unique chocolate muffins.
Okay, signature means not sign.
Yeah.
Okay, signature chocolate muffins. A baker needs 2.5 ounces of chocolate. Each ounce, 16 ounces is 1 pound. So how many pounds are needed for a muffin, each muffin? So that means 2.5 by 16 pounds.
Pound 16, 20, 2.5. Yes, sir. 2.5 by 16.
For each muffin. For each muffin, he needs 2.5 by 16 pounds. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
How many muffins are needed?
48, sir.
So times 48.
Okay, 0.
మా 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ చేద్దామా జ్యోతి? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో? జ్యోతి మీకు అందరికి లిస్ట్ ఉందా జ్యోతి? టచ్పమ్మ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి?
Sir, 1 second. So 7.5.
Yes, that's good. That's right.
Yes, sir.
Simple question. 3 times of C plus is equal to 5. What is the value of C plus D?
5/3, sir.
Very simple question.
Yes, sir.
Ma Jyoti, are you there?
Novels and magazines. Each novel sells
Jyoti, are you there?
$1.
A non bookstore sells novels and magazines. Each novel sells $4. Each magazine sells $1. If Sadie purchases a total of 11 novels, X plus Y equal 11. And magazines, 11 novels and magazines. What magazines? 11 novels and magazines that have a combined selling price of 20. Okay, how many novels? Ante X novels. Novels 11. Each novel costs $4.
4x plus 1y equals
4 into 11. By novels, Sadie purchased total. How many novels? 11. Total is 11. Okay. Sum means X novels and 4x
plus 1y.
1y. 1 magazine, not magazines. These are magazines.
So, but like
4x
the
plus y. Yeah. Good. 4x plus y is equal to 20. And x plus y is equal to 11.
Yes, sir.
Solve them.
Oh.
3x is equal to 9. X is equal to 3. 3 novels and 8 magazines.
X.
Clear? 3 novels, 8 magazines. 3 4s are 12. 8 1s are 8. $20 done.
Equals 3. So 4 times 3, that's 12. Sir, wait, how many novels did she purchase? So isn't it 4 times 3, sir?
Yeah. 4 times 3 plus 8 times 1.
So it's 4 times 3, then we'll get our answer, no, sir. How many novels did she purchase?
3 novels.
Yeah, so 4 times 3 is 12, no, sir.
And 8 magazines. Each magazine costs 1 rupee.
But they just asked us about how many novels did she purchase. No, sir.
3 novels.
Oh,
Clear? Got it?
yes, sir. Weight of Venus is approximately 10.
The weight of an object on Venus. See. Jyoti, Pranava. The weight of an object on Jupiter is approximately 23 by 10 of its weight on Earth. Earth means 100. Okay. Venus, what's the weight of that object on Venus? On Earth is 100 pounds. So
9 by 10 times 100.
Very good. 90, just 90.
Yes, sir.
On Jupiter?
230.
230. How much is more? See, how many more pounds does it weight on Jupiter than it weighs on Venus? How much more?
130, sir.
No, not 130.
Sorry. Is it 230 minus? That's how you do it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It's 140.
Yeah. Put the correct option. Ma Jyoti. Jyoti, are you there? Jyoti, are you there? Can you, I think she might not be there. Jyoti?
Yes, sir.
2 marks questions and doubts nema meeku ichina vaatlo?
Oh, sir.
అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చేసినాయా? ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి అమ్మా, చేద్దాం అయితే. ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా నీకు? 2 మార్క్స్ కానీ 4 మార్క్స్ కానీ 7 మార్క్స్ కానీ? ఎనీ డౌట్? చెప్పి డిస్కస్ చేయాల్సిన ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? జోస్న, మీకైతే కెమిస్ట్రీ కాబట్టి మీకు అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు ఈరోజు. సరే, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారమ్మా జ్యోతి అయితే? సరే అమ్మా, అయితే టుమారో మనం క్లాస్ పెట్టుకుందాం. ఇట్టి పరిస్థితిలో 5:30కి అందరూ అటెండ్ కండి టుమారో. జ్యోతి, ఓకేనా? ఓకే అమ్మా, మనం చేద్దాం టుమారో అయితే. షల్ వి లీవ్? జోస్న అండ్ జ్యోతి?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే అమ్మా, బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఎగ్జామ్ బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి, మంచి మార్క్స్ రావాలి, ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so many students are there. Yeah, so many are there. Oh, no. Shashadri, who is Shashadri? Just now one student, Kondapalli Shashadri. Who is Shashadri? Ma Shashadri evaramma? Which class? Shashadri, who is Shashadri? మా ఏ సెక్షన్ అమ్మా? లాస్యానా? ఓకే. మా లాస్యా, హోంవర్క్ చేసావా సమ్స్ అన్ని?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, otherwise you will be removed from the list. I thought that it is a boy.
No, sir. మా అన్నయ్య సార్ అది.
అవునా? లాస్యా అని తెలియదు నాకు. శేషాద్రి ఎవరబ్బా అనుకున్నాను. ఎనీహౌ, ఈ సంస్థను చేశారా? ఈ సంస్థను చేశారా? కంప్లీట్ చేశారా?
Yes, sir.
అందరికి అందని పేపర్స్ ఇవి?
అందరినీ సార్.
ఓకే. మీకు ఇంకేం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? 4 మార్క్స్ కానీ 7 మార్క్స్ కానీ డిస్కస్ చేయాల్సినవి ఉన్నాయా? అయితే పని చేయండి. ఎలాగొచ్చారు కదమ్మా, ఒక పేపర్ చెప్పండి. నీ దగ్గర అది ఉందా అమ్మ జ్యోతి? నీ దగ్గర కానీ? అయ్యో, నీకు ఈ రోజు తీసుకొస్తున్నాం, మర్చిపోయి. జ్యోతి నీ దగ్గర బుక్ ఉంది కదా జ్యోతి? ఒకసారి రిమూవ్ చేస్తావా? తండ్రిక, is this tick mark is yours?
Mine, sir.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Jyoti, do you have this book? That means Akshara book? Jyoti, do you have Akshara book with you right now?
సార్ నా దగ్గర ఉంది సార్.
Yeah. ఏదైనా ఒక పేపర్ చెప్పమ్మా, ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్ ఏదైనా 2023 కానీ 22 కానీ 21 కానీ 20 కానీ ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. You are telling? Telling? Do it fast. Which year? మా జ్యోతి చెప్తున్నావా? జ్యోతి, ఆర్ యు దేర్? మా లాస్ట్ దగ్గర ఉందా మా అక్షర?
సార్ ఉంది సార్. చెప్పండి.
రాండమ్ ఒక ఇయర్ పేపర్ చెప్పు.
Sir, March 2020.
Yeah, go ahead.
Find the other end of the.
First question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find the
other end of the diameter
of the diameter
of the circle
right?
X square plus y square minus 8x
okay
minus 8y
okay
plus 27 is equals to 0.
Very good. Amma appudu cheppandi, what is center?
Sir, income
4,4.
if one end
if one end
of its 2,3
right? Okay, what is its center? Center 4,4 right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Center is 4,4. One end is 2,3. One end is 2,3. What is another end? This is asked, right? Let this be alpha comma beta. Midpoint of 2,3 and alpha comma beta is 4,4, right? That means 2 plus alpha by 2 comma 3 plus beta by 2 is equal to 4,4. Clear? If we take the first one, 2 plus alpha by 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus alpha is equal to 8. Alpha is equal to 6. So it is 6. Okay. What about beta? Can you tell the value of beta right now? Ma cheptara beta value ento? 3 plus beta by 2 is equal to 4. Last year 3 plus beta by 2 4 అయితే beta value ఎంత?
5, sir. 5, sir.
5, right?
5.
Yeah, right. 5 no, yeah, 5 correct. Beta is equal to 5. ఇలా చేయాలి సమ్ని. సెకండ్ సమ్ చెప్పమ్మా.
If the chord of find the chord of contact.
Find the chord of contact. Find the chord of contact. Okay.
Of 1,1.
Okay. Of 1,1. Of 1,1. Okay.
With respect to the circle.
With respect to the circle.
X square plus y square.
X square plus y square
is equals to 9.
That's good. See, chord of contact is nothing but S1 is equal to 0. Got it?
Yes.
Form of S1 is X1x plus y1y. Okay, plus g times of x plus x1
Plus x1 plus y of
times of y plus y1 minus 9 is equal to 0. Got it? Minus c, of course, plus c. Right. See here, g is 0, f is 0, c is 9. This is x1, this is y1. Yeah, plug in x1, y1 values. X1 means 1, y1 means 1, c means 9. Okay, tell its answer. X plus y plus 9 is equal to 0. That's it. Next, third one.
find k.
Find k.
Is the circles.
Find k. If the circles. Okay.
X square plus y square
Okay.
minus 5x
Okay.
minus 14y
Okay.
minus 34 is equals to 0.
And
X square plus y square
okay.
plus 2x
Okay.
plus 4y
Okay.
plus k is equals to 0.
Okay.
Orthogonal.
ఆర్థోగోనల్. అమ్మ మీకు తెలుసు కదా ఆర్థోగోనల్ కండిషన్. మా ఆర్థోగోనల్ కండిషన్ ఏంటి? 2gg డాష్ గుర్తుందా మీకు? మర్చిపోయారా?
Yes, గుర్తుంది సార్. 2ff dash
is equal to c plus c dash.
c plus c dash.
Yeah. 2 into g means what? Half of x coefficient.
5/2.
Minus 5/2. మా సెంటర్ కి మాత్రం ఆపోజిట్ సైన్ అయ్యాలి, మిగతా వాటికి ఆపోజిట్ సైన్ రాయకూడదు. క్లియర్? Yeah. Plus g dash means 1.
Yes, sir.
Plus 2ff dash. 2 into f means minus 7.
Minus 7
Minus 7.
into 2.
Yeah, into 2. Is equal to c plus c dash. Minus 34.
Minus 34 plus k.
Right. 2 to cancel.
Minus
Minus
5.
Minus 5 minus 28
Yeah, minus 28 plus 34.
is equals to k.
Yeah, therefore k is equal.
1
That's good.
minus 34.
Next question. Question number.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay, right.
Sir,
Good
I
night.
have a test
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah, good night, Tarnika. Right.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Please tell.
Find the equation of
Question number.
parabola.
Yeah, no need. Next question number.
5, sir. Hyperbola.
No. It's not in our syllabus.
Sixth question.
Yeah.
I is equals to
Okay.
cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square.
Sin x whole square or sin x square? Sin square x.
Sin x whole square, sir.
Okay. Let sin x is equal to t. No, 1 plus sin x is equal to t. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Cos x dx is equal to dt. That means dx is equal to dt by cos x.
Yes, sir.
I is equal to integration of cos x by
T square.
square into dx dt by cos
dt
x.
by cos x. Cos x cancel, sir.
1 by t square means minus 1 by t. Integration of 1 by t square is minus 1 by t.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 by t means 1 plus sin x. Plus c.
Yes, sir.
Next, 7th one.
Integral
Okay.
x log x dx, sir.
Simple question.
Log
Yes.
x.
Log x, no use taking log x is equal to. Are you sure? Is it correct? Limits, I think limits are there.
No, sir.
Just x log x. Okay, got it. Yeah. Log x times x means d of x square by 2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
It is in the form of integral udv. Use udv formula.
Yes, sir.
uv means x square by 2 into log x minus x
Square
square
by
by
2.
Sir, x square by 2.
good into v into x square by 2 derivative of log x. See x square by 2 log x
minus
minus integration of 1 by 2 into integration of x square. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Agree?
yes, sir.
Square x get cancels. X square by 2
Square by
log
2.
x minus x by 2. No, sorry. 1 by 2 into integration of x. What is integration of x?
X square by 2.
Plus c. Clear? Someone write the 8th question on the board. Just a second. Writing 8th question on the board. Yeah, tell 8th question. Who is telling?
Limits and tends to infinity.
Okay. That I think it's not there in our syllabus.
Okay, sir.
Limit చేసామా చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. నెక్స్ట్ 9th క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటమ్మా?
Find limit. Limit కాదు sir. Integral.
Integral.
Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2.
Okay.
Sin square x into
Okay.
cos power 4x dx, sir.
Yeah. See, is it clearly it is even function? Okay. So it is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2. Sin square x into cos power 4x. Yeah, now use 2 into, 2 minus 1,
1
4 minus 1
3
into 1,
1 5
6,
6 4
2.
2
If since both are even, so into pi by 2. Simplify them. Simplify చేయండి. 3 2 6 cancels. Pi by 16. Okay.
yes, sir.
What is 10th question?
Solve y into 1 plus x dx.
Okay.
Sir, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మనకు లేదమ్మా.
మా బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసింది అయితే టైం అవుతుంది కదా కాలేజీకి. మరి టుమారో మాత్రం అందరూ రావాలి, ఎందుకంటే టుమారో కదా ఎగ్జామ్. అందరూ చెప్పండి ఏదైనా పేపర్ మనం ర్యాండమ్ గా చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.